Good morning, students. Let's start with the new exercise from Buying Things, lesson number 3, unit 6. Okay, so first we'll begin with the dictation words. OWN, own. FINISH, finish. COLOURS, colors. MONEY, money. IDEA, idea. MUST, must. SHOP, shop. ANYTHING, anything. COUNTER, counter. PICKED, picked. LAST, last. BUY, buy. Okay, so let's read it once more. These words you are going to write, dictation words you are going to write in your English notebook 2 times. Okay, you should know the spellings and pronunciations. Okay, so once more we are going to read OWN, own. FINISH, finish. COLOURS, colors. MONEY, money. IDEA, idea. MUST, must. SHOP, shop. ANYTHING, anything. COUNTER, counter. PICKED, picked. LAST, last. BUY, buy. Okay, once more we'll read. Own, repeat after me. Finish, colors, money, idea, must. Shop, anything. Counter, picked, last, buy. Okay, so let's move on to the next set of words. Okay, this we have already done. PAPER, paper. QUICKLY, quickly. PARENTS, parents. CHILDREN, children. CHOCOLATE, chocolate. CRAYONS, crayons. SOMETHING, something. YOURSELF, yourself. CHOOSE, choose. GLUE, glue. Okay, 1 minute. Okay, let's read once more. Repeat after me. BUY, buy. PAPER, paper. QUICKLY, quickly. PARENTS, parents. CHILDREN, children. CHOCOLATE, chocolate. CRAYONS, crayons. SOMETHING, something. YOURSELF, yourself. CHOOSE, choose. GLUE, glue. Okay, one more time. Buy, paper, quickly. You're repeating after me, right? Very good. Parents, children, chocolate, crayons, something, yourself, choose, glue. So remember to learn the pronunciation as well as the spellings of these words. Okay, sit straight, and now you have to complete the following sentences. You have to use your own ideas to complete the sentences. This exercise is on page number 58. Okay, you can complete the sentences and write whatever you want to. Okay, like we are going to. So you can write whatever you think of. We are going to school, we are going to the playground, we are going to a cinema hall, we are going to a market, or we are going to a shopping mall or anything else. Okay, whatever, we are going to a garden, we are going to a park, anything you think of you can write. Okay, so here I have written we are going to the market, and then I put a full stop over here. Okay, next I want to read. I want to read what? You can write whatever comes to your mind. I want to read a story, I want to read a book, I want to read the newspaper, I want to read the magazine. So anything you want to write, you can write over here. I have written I want to read the newspaper, and since the sentence is complete, I have put a full stop. Next, I want to buy. So you can write anything again over here. I want to buy vegetables, I want to buy fruits, I want to buy clothes, I want to buy chocolates, I want to buy ice cream, I want to buy a washing machine, or I want to buy a TV, I want to buy an iron, or anything, whatever comes to your mind. So different ideas are there. I have written over here, I want to buy a new raincoat. Okay, so this is what I have written. This is only a suggestion. You can use your own ideas to complete the sentence, and remember to put a full stop once you complete the sentence. Shall we? Now, shall we go to the market? Shall we read a newspaper? Shall we buy this new dress? Shall we go and watch a movie? Shall we study? Shall we complete our homework? So there are many things you can write, and shall we buy vegetables is what I have written, and since shall we, when we start our sentence with shall we, it is a question to somebody, I have put a question mark when I have completed this sentence. Since it is a question, I have put a question mark. Okay, so shall we buy vegetables is a question, so I have ended it with a question mark. Next sentence is I must give you what? I must give you this newspaper, I must give you this book, or I must give you this new dress, or I must give you what you can write, give you this toy. Yes, you can think of anything else also. Yeah, you may have some more ideas. I must give you this cake, I must give you this chocolate. Okay, so many things you can write. I must give you banana. Okay, so I must give you this book is what I have written, and since it is a sentence, I have put a full stop at the end of the sentence. Okay, so you can use your own ideas and complete the sentence. These are my ideas. You can use something else and complete it. Okay, chalo. Let's move on to the next exercise. Again here it is one and many. You can complete it in your textbook itself. So we have already done this exercise many times. So I'll just quickly go through this. Just remember, when we are converting from one to many, what we are doing, we are adding an extra s. Okay. So shops. Next word is thing. What will we write? Yes, things. Toy, toys. Chocolate, chocolates. Rupee, rupees. Crayon, crayons. Color, colors. Idea, ideas. Paper, papers. Parent, parents. Okay, so this is how you are going to complete. Very easy. We have already done this many times. So complete it in your textbook itself. Now we are going to do some opposite words. Your textbook does not have this. So you have to write this opposite words in your English notebook. The first word is boy. Now for opposite, what sign do we put? Yes, we put a cross. We have to put a cross before writing the opposite word. Okay. So what is the opposite of boy? We'll put a cross and write girl. Boy, girl. Okay. Good. Something, what will you write? Opposite, something, something is there. And what is the opposite of that? Yes, nothing. Something, nothing. Next word is last. What is the opposite? Yes, last का opposite है first. Last, first. And right, what is the opposite of right? Yes, you are right. Now, there are two words which are opposite of right. One, when we say you are right, that means correct. है ना? आपने जो बोला है वो correct है, right है. So, the opposite of right is wrong. Okay. But when we speak of direction, you go and turn to the right. Okay. So, when we talk about the direction, the opposite of right is left. So there are two opposite words depending on the meaning where we use the word right. So there are two opposite words. It will be left if we are talking about the direction, and it will be wrong if we are talking about correct or wrong. Okay. So right ka opposite left in case of direction, and right and wrong in case of whether the thing is correct or not. Okay, so two opposite words are there. So once more, you can, we'll just revise. Boy, girl, remember to put a cross before writing opposite. Okay, this cross is important because whenever you write a cross between two words, it implies or it tells you that you are writing the opposite words. Okay, so boy, girl, something, nothing. You are repeating after me, right? And nobody is just lying down on the bed. Everybody is sitting straight in the chair. Okay? Everybody should sit straight and study. Nobody should lie down on the bed and study. Okay? Very good. Last, first. Right, wrong, or right, left. Both words are right. You can write anything. Okay. Now the next question is, write what you can make using paper, glue and colors. Paper, glue मतलब gum use करके और colors करके आप क्या क्या बना सकते हो उसकी list बनानी है. You have to make a list of things, or you can write a few things. एक दो तीन चीजें भी आप लिख सकते हो जो आप ये paper, glue and colors use करके बना सकते हैं. So one I have written is greeting cards. What else you can make using paper, glue and colors? What I can think of is an envelope, and one more maybe wall piece. Okay, wall hanging also I can make. Okay, so you can think of other things which you can make using paper, glue and colors, and you can just list it down. If there is a place in your textbook, list it down there. If it is not there, there is no place, then write it down in your notebooks. Notebooks I'll be correcting when we physically meet each other in the class. Okay. So remember to complete your notebooks. कभी मुझे किसी का book incomplete देखा ना तो डांट पड़ेगी. तो उससे अच्छा अपना class work, homework regular time से करो. We don't know. Maybe, probably we may meet in the month of January in the school, है ना? So that time I want all the books to be complete. Okay. So now next question is, name the following things that finish up quickly. फटाफट finish हो जाते. Quickly means जल्दी. जल्दी से finish हो जाती. क्या finish हो जाता है जल्दी जल्दी? Think, tell me. Yes, chocolates, pastries, है ना? So all these things that finish up quickly are फटाफट खत्म हो जाता है ना? So anything which you eat, you can eat, gets finished off fast. So especially pastries and chocolates get finished off fast. So I've written, you can write anything else also. So I've written here pastries. If mama brings some pastries from the cake shop, then what will happen? रहेगा क्या? फटाफट फटाफट खा लेंगे, है ना? Because everybody likes pastries, no? Okay, very good. Now ready-made things means it is all ready to use. हाँ, आप मार्केट से खरीद के लाते, you buy something from the market and you can use it immediately. Like you wear ready-made dresses, you know. Otherwise, what you have, if you want to wear clothes, what you will have to do? You will have to buy a cloth from the market. Then you have to go to the tailor and then you have to tell him, you make my dress like this, like this. Then he will take some days and then he will make and then he will give you. So that is a long process. So ready-made things means what? You buy it from the market and start using it. Okay. So one is your dresses, ready-made dresses, and what else? Toys. Toys you bring from the market and start using it. Okay. So toys are one of the things. You can think of something else also. Things that last long मतलब बहुत दिन तक चलते हैं. ऐसे कौन सी चीजें हैं जो आप एक बार लाते हो और फिर बहुत दिन तक आप यूज कर सकते हो? जैसे आपका रेफ्रिजरेटर है, वॉशिंग मशीन है, टीवी है. You don't change it again and again, right? So these things they last long, है ना? And one more thing is batteries. क्लॉक में आप बैटरी डालते हैं, रिमोट कंट्रोल में आप बैटरी डालते हैं. सो यू डोंट कीप ऑन चेंजिंग इट अगेन एंड अगेन. बहुत फ्रीक्वेंटली आपको चेंज नहीं करना पड़ता, बहुत दिनों बाद आपको वो चेंज करना पड़ता है. सो थिंग्स दैट लास्ट लॉन्ग, batteries is what I have written. You can write something else also. Things that you can make at home. आप घर में क्या क्या चीजें बना सकते हो? जैसे कि ग्रीटिंग कार्ड बना सकते हो, आप खाना बना सकते हो, एनीथिंग एल्स यू कैन मेक एट होम, है ना? बेस्ट आउट ऑफ वेस्ट में भी आप बहुत सारी चीजें बना सकते हो. सो one thing which I thought of is cake. Things that you can make at home. One of the things which I thought of is cake. So you can write here cake also or anything else. Whatever you think you can write. Okay. So you have to complete this in your textbook itself. So that's all. Remember to practice your reading daily. Okay, when we meet back in the class, I want that all of you should be able to read properly. अच्छे से reading आनी चाहिए. Okay, चलो then. Bye. See you.